summer has come and the heat is unbearable, at least in Chennai. And I'm sure that the rest of the country, it's a matter of time before summer comes in. Lots of us are looking for lightweight sarees that are breezy, easy to wear, and perfect for summer. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. In today's episode of Saree Stories, we're showing you a beautiful collection of lightweight Kota sarees, which we have sourced exclusively from Rajasthan. These sarees are also very distinctive. They are solid style Kota sarees, and mostly, if you look at it, Kota sarees come without a blouse. This entire collection is paired with beautiful Malwal cotton blouses, so you don't need to go elsewhere looking for a blouse. I'm sure you're following us regularly, so if you're liking our videos, please like this video, follow our channel and click on the bell button. That way you'll ensure you don't miss any of our new drops. I'm showing you two ranges today. The first is a range of very minimal solid style sarees. This is just plain Kota. The Kota, I mean, you have to come close to see this. The Kota weave is beautiful here. You can see the missing weave, the thicker and thin lines, so it will be extremely breezy for summer. And these are all handloom Kotas. These sarees are less than 200 grams, so you won't feel them at all on your body. They've got zari on both the borders and a very minimal zari pallu. And the entire drama in this collection is the blouse. So this beautiful olive green saree, for example, comes with a Malwal cotton blouse, which is a nice indigo blue and green flowers. So you pair it, it looks sensational. The next saree in this collection is a lovely brinjal violet. Again, a fairly simple saree. And let's see the blouse, because the blouse is really the drama in these sarees. So let's see the blouse here. Here, a white blouse with nice violet flowers and yellow and green patterns. So this collection, blouse is the hero of this collection. Lots of times customers have asked us whether they can wear Kota sarees on a single drape or whether they will be transparent. So see, if you pleat them, they won't be transparent. If you want to wear them as a single pleat, then you just need to ensure your blouse has a back opening, so the opening won't show and it will look sensational. The next saree is a bright tangerine orange. There it is. So I'm going to open this. This is such a bright summery color. And now let's see the blouse of this saree. There it is. So it's got a beautiful yellow blouse with genda flowers in orange and green leaves. So if you're looking for a bright look, then this saree is a must-have. It's a beautiful color with a sensational blouse. The next saree in this range, this is a more demio color. So again, if you're a Kota lover and say you're in a school, you're teaching, or you want something a little more demio, this is a lovely indigo blue Kota. My God, such a lovely color. And now let's look at the blouse. Oh yeah, wow. This beautiful indigo blue saree. It's a white and indigo blue blouse. It's a very formal, very demio looking saree. So if you're going for that look, this kind of saree will look beautiful. The last saree I'm showing you in this range, this is a beautiful, like, it's almost a Rani pink. It's between a Rani pink and a magenta. So again, bright color. Now let's look at the blouse. There it is. Lovely. So it's got lovely flowers. If you like these sarees, I'm showing you some sarees in the solid style collection. And if you're in Chennai, please visit our store. We are located in Alwarpet in 281 TTK Road. We are open all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can come to the stores, try these sarees, because I must say these are super light. If you can try these sarees and buy them on the store. Also, this month we have a lot of special offers on blouse stitching. So depending on what the saree is, you'll get anywhere between 50% off to full free stitching on your blouses. So the thing is that when you buy a saree in about a week's time, the saree can be delivered to you anywhere in Chennai with your blouse, and you can wear it and get out and be ready to go out with wearing the saree. If you're not in Chennai, you're living elsewhere in India or around the world, then you can buy these sarees online on our website, avishya.com. Go to the website and look for solid style Kota sarees, and this entire collection will be online. You can check them out online and buy them online itself. If you don't want to go to the website and want to buy on WhatsApp, our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. Just take a screenshot of the saree and put it on WhatsApp, and our customer service team will help you buy. Now I'm going to the next range. These are also solid, but they have work on the border and the pallu, and these also come with nice bright Malwal blouses. So I'm going to first open this beautiful, it's like a dusky rose. It's a beautiful saree with a nice indigo blue border and a tad of yellow on the kinara. And if you look at it, this has got leaf patterns on the border and the edge of the pallu. Now let's look at the pallu for this side. Open out the entire saree. Wow, pallu's sensational. It's a large pallu. It's got alternating blue and maroon stripes and a band of white in between. Jangla motifs on the blue, and then this large Mughal booties in the white. Now let's look at the blouse. That's a sensational blouse. So really, if you look at the blouse, the saree and the pallu, this is how it looks. It's a white blouse with a diagonal pattern, and the saree border continues in the blouse also. The next saree in this collection, this is a lovely elephant grey. So let's take a look at the saree first. Wow, look at this. It's a beautiful elephant grey. It's got a lovely block printed border with chevron motifs. The border's got red and white. The kinara is a nice indigo blue. Now the pallu is so big that it comes in this fold itself. This entire range, this lot of sarees I'm showing you is a double pallu. So it's got a large pallu. Now let's open out the pallu. Wow, again a stripe pallu. If you look at it, it's got diamond motifs here on those white bands, then interspersed with red bands, and then these broad blue bands with nice floral bouquets and a chevron pattern on the edge of the pallu again. The blouse again is very different. Now, this is also a stripe pattern blouse, but look at the way the stripes are looking. It's a very distinctive design. It almost looks like the beads which are there on a wind chime, because if you hit, there'll be the small beads and large beads. So if the wind blows, there'll be this beautiful chime, right? This pattern looks like those beads on a wind chime. So it's a very beautiful, stylish blouse. The great thing about the blouses in this collection is they're very nice looking blouses. They're all Malmal cotton and not kota. The reason we don't give kota blouses is because of the missing weave. If you stitch a blouse in the kota fabric, when you wear it, it will snag. Whereas Malmal cotton blouses you can wear multiple times. These blouses will also go with your other sarees. So you can wear this blouse not just with this saree, but with any black or blue or any other saree which you want to pair it. The next saree in this collection, this is a lovely mustard yellow. Again, with a blue, white and black border. The border's got a leaf-like pattern, so it's very, very pretty. Now let's open out and see the pallu in this also. Yeah, full of stripes, beautiful yellow, white and blue. There are trellis motifs, there are leaf motifs, there's chevron, and then of course there's a row of bouquets in the middle. And then here comes the blouse. This is like a jali. The entire blouse is a jali pattern, and there's a border in the center. So here's the look: the body, pallu, and the blouse. The next saree in this collection, this is, what do I call it? Should we call this a plum violet? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Because let's see the saree. There it is. It's a beautiful color. It's a very mature, very, very subtle color. And if you look at the border, there's a red chevron. You would never think that this red and white will combine well with this plum, but it's a sensational combination. And yellow on the kinara, just to give that dash of extra pop. Let's look at the pallu. There it is. This is a beautiful pallu again, and lots of blue in the pallu. Chevron motifs continue in a different form on the pallu. Then there's a band of red floral booties, and then chevrons again. Now this also, let's see the blouse. Wow, this is like a very designer blouse. There's chevron across the body, both in the border and the pallu, and the blouse is fully geometric motifs. It's got nice check patterns. It's a sensational blouse. So just imagine you're wearing with this saree and it look beautiful. The last saree in this collection, it's a beautiful moss green saree. I'm going to open this. Yeah, there it is. It's beautiful. It's a lovely moss green saree with a nice black border, and the border's got like this floral swirls on it. And then let's look at the pallu. Wow, this is again a big pallu. It's a double pallu, stripes. It's got nice chevrons in red and white, and these swirls which are there in the border, they're continuing in bands in the pallu also. The pallu also has a lovely floral booties in the center. And then look at the blouse. It's got these small plus motifs going all around the blouse, and combined with this swirl-like pattern on the border. Another sensational saree and super lightweight. If you want to buy these sarees, you can. This is some of our kota sarees I'm showing you. You can buy them at our store in Chennai or visit our website avishya.com. You can check for solid style kota sarees, and this entire collection will be available online. If you like our video, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ensure you hit the bell button. Thank you for watching this video, and do also share this video with your friends and family. That will be a great help to us. Thank you.
For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.